the expression x cubed yz over xy raised to 5z is equal to what? So balikan lang natin, when we are dividing exponents, x squared or x cubed over x, this is the same as x raised to 3 minus 1. We subtract the exponents. This is just x squared. So the same is true dito. Meron kang x cubed, meron kang x sa baba. So this will become, that will be cancelled. Ang maiwan will be x squared. Dito, mawala yung y, magiging 1. Ito, magiging y raised to 4. Tapos yung z natin, magiging 1 na yan. So we need to write. So yung ating sagot will be this. Pero upon checking the choices, wala yan. So balikan natin yung concept about negative exponents. So kung meron akong y raised to negative 4, if I want this to become positive, yung exponent, ang gagawin ko is, I will get the reciprocal of that, which is y raised to 4. Right? And then again, itong negative will become positive. So the same is true dito. Meron akong over y raised to 4. So kung gusto ko yung iakyat, I will make this exponent negative. So meron akong x raised to 2, y raised to negative 4, which is just letter D in the choices. Number 76. Given this figure with equal sides, what is the sum of the angles A, B, C, D, and E? Now, there's a property of this pentagram. Ang lahat ng angles, ang point nito is just 36 degrees. So kung meron kang 36 tapos meron kang 5, this gives you 180, right? 180. Pero if you want to prove bakit siya ganyan, remember ito, meron kang, if you're going to trace this, you can actually form a pentagon. Alright? Tapos again, since sinabing equal side, itong pentagon natin is a regular pentagon. So pag sinabing regular, equal yung mga sides and equal yung mga angles. So ang pentagon natin, meron tayong n equals 5 or yung sides are 5. Para mahanap yung interior angle, multiply natin by n minus 2 and then times 180. So this is 3 times 180. Meron kang 540. So yung interior angle natin is 540. I-divide mo siya by 5 para makuha yung ating each angle. So meron kang 108. So meaning to say, erase ko lang to. Meaning to say, ito dito is 108. Tapos since ito at saka ito are linear pair, their sum should be 180, right? So meron kang 180 minus 108. This is 72. Tapos kung 72 dito, since ito is equal and this is equal, this is also 72. Okay? So meron kang 72 plus 72. Anong mangyayari? This is just 4. This is 4. So remember, this triangle is 180, di ba? So 180 minus 144, this is just 36. And ito are all 36. Kaya nga meron tayong 36 times 5, which is 180. Balik pa rin tayo dyan. Number 77. Pedro can finish painting a wall in 6 hours. Juan can finish the painting the same wall in 3 hours. How long will it take them both to finish painting? So yung ating working time, working together, yung time na kailangan natin is just A times B over A plus B. So, si Juan daw, si Pedro can finish in 6 hours. And then, Juan in 3 hours. So, multiply lang natin, 6 times 3 over 6 plus 3. This is 18 over 9. This is just 2, which is letter A in the choices. 78. The expression x squared minus 8x plus 16 can be factored as, eto, this is a perfect square trinomial, right? So if we're going to factor this one out, using the tawag na ito, yung ating way of factoring, meron kang 16 dyan. Ano yung factors ng 16? 4 and 4, right? That will add up to 8. But that's negative. So dapat negative yan. So ang factor mo will be x minus 4 times x minus 4. Or this is just x minus 4 squared. Letter C yung ating sagot. Follow for more.